Hi and welcome to the Oscha tutorials. My name is Carolin and I'm a certified baby wearing consultant from Germany. This is a long ring sling, XXL ring sling, and actually you can wrap with that nearly everything that you can wrap with a size 4. So today I want to show you the Semi-Double Hammock, and for this you will have to measure your new middle marker, your imaginative one, and you will grab the rings with your fingers and pull it away really long, and it will go roughly through your armpit. So this should be the length. Depending on the size of your child, you have to figure out for yourself how it works. And now I will get the child, and this point that we figured out will be at the middle of the back. So here we go, Superman's toss. Do whatever you want. You should be experienced in backpacking doing this. And now we will build the seat. So what's happening with the long ring sling, and you see it here, that we have an exit width at the top rail. This is not so good. So we have to do something which might sometimes be uncomfortable for the child. We have to pull the excess width now at the neck of the child towards the long tail. So I'm doing it like this. And you see it comes now over, but you might be that you get a little bit of disappointment in the back here. Okay, now we lock the ring sling side, which should be more or less between breast and shoulder here, with the chin, and I will build a double hammock pass. And as I have to lock it here, I can't talk so much in this time. So here we go, normal double hammock. Make sure everything is nice. You can do an easy L pull here, and make sure that you either pull the ring sling over your shoulders or you just can leave it like this, how you want to carry this depending on you. So, and now I will take it under my armpit and towards the ring. This is semi-double hammock. I will go from inside to outside, like a normal ring sling. Finish, and then flip one tail over the one ring, go through the lower ring, and tightening everything. Normally you can see if you have to so tighten, then you can do strand by strand tightening, get all the excess width away. And now we here have a semi-double hammock. See, we have still a lot of tail with a long ring sling. Enjoy wrapping, watch out for more tutorials, especially with long ring slings, and always follow those safety instructions.